Hello guys, welcome back to my channel again. Today I am going to giving you some questions in this video which are linked to all my videos that I have provided so far regards to the C programming for beginners. The information I have provided in the question is just a basic to check your knowledge, how much you gain from the videos and how much you have learned so far from my videos. Anyone who wants the recap for those videos can click on icon button shown above, and I have also provided those links in the below description box. One need not to be cheated in a quiz here. You need to just enjoy it and try to check your knowledge for the basics that I have provided the knowledge to you in all my videos. Have a look at a quiz here. A very first question I have provided here. We include the stdio.h header file to use. There is any option can be correct. One need to answer those questions in a comment chat box. In a comment text box and can check their result too here. I am providing a Google Docs link in the description box so that you are available with the quiz here. One need to register with their particular email ID and one need to answer all the required answers. All the required answers, questions answers. One need to answer all the question and one need to comment to the comment box in this channel. Here the very first question I have provided. We include the stdio.h header file to use. Main, printf, return 0, all of the above. Any of the answer will be correct. One need to remind it in mind. After 10 seconds you need to check your score, how much you gain out of 20, and one need to comment in the comment box. Our next question, what is the data type of variable x? I provided here in small code in x equals to 5 here, a terminator in next line, float a equals to x. Next question, how to declare a string variable in C? What is the correct way to declare array in C? What is the output of the code here? Hash include stdio.h int main. I provided here my block of statement int equals to 5 equals to 3 comma result. Here I have provided a condition if is not equals to b, print the if statement, and else test condition is false, print f high. And all through the program in int main I have provided here printf world. So you need to answer what will be the correct answer for this question. Next question is, what is the output of the code? Hash include stdio.h. Here whatever the code I have provided in all my videos on the channel at the Saransh Technos, I have provided all the meanings there. How can we use it and why should we use this in C coding? So the user need to avail with the videos too and then look at the quiz again. Next question is, what is the correct way to take input from the user? How we can take input from the users? We need to answer the question with the appropriate answer. Next question, which one in this code is a literal? One need to answer this question too. Next question, what is the correct output of this code? Hash include stdio.h int main. I provided here A statement of block I have provided here. Have a look at this question. Take a look at this question and answer just in 10 seconds. Here you can do also a thing. You need to answer all these questions, all these 20 questions, and one need to comment in how much time and how much score one gain for these questions. Comment in the comment box here. Why I have provided this quiz here? Because I think one should have more knowledge about how he or she has learned so far here from my videos. Next question is, we include the standard input output header file to use main, printf, return 0, all of the above. One need to answer all these questions and can also comment in the comment section below in this video. Next question, what is the correct syntax to get the address of a variable named var? There is a difference between an address and pointer. I have provided the descriptions of all the videos that I have availed so far, so the user can avail with the videos and get the detailed knowledge about the basics of C programming. Here we go. Our next question, what is the size of this array? I provided the array. In all my videos I have provided how we can declare array, its variable, and so many things I have provided in my videos. So who is watching this video can avail with these videos of my C basics I have provided so far here on my channel at the rate Sharans Technos. Our next question, the format specify used for double variable is. I have provided all the knowledge and I have covered all the topics in all my videos. Next question, what is the correct way to call this function? There is two different function, called function and calling function. The two different things, one need to be called in a different definition of function and one need to be called in a function that is going to be called as function calling, and where we have defined it, it's called calling function. Next question is, what is the name of the function in this function definition? Here we go. We need to check all those answers provided in the link given below from Google form. I provided a link in this description below and can avail with the form I have provided in my Google Docs. You can submit it while logging with your login ID, so I can have a feedback there of all the who have taken the quiz there, and I am going to announce the name of the winner who have just come up with the quiz completed in a very few times earlier than others, that I am going to announce in my next video. Have a look at our next question. What is the structure in C? Collection of arrays, collection of variables and arrays, collection of same type of variable and arrays, collection of pointers. What is the purpose of break statement? Check the test expression and terminate the loop. Terminate the loop immediately. Terminate the whole program. Skip the current iteration of the loop. Next question. Correct syntax for logical AND operator in C. Expression 1 and expression 2. Expression 1 double ampersand expression 2. Expression 1 ampersand expression 2. expression 1 parallel to the expression 2. How we can declare AND operator. Which of the following causes infinite loop? Which of the causes infinite loop? You can answer in 10 seconds, or you may take more time to answer these questions. The next question is, what is the output of the code? Here is the code I have provided. You all need to answer in comments, and I have provided with the answers too in the comment section. I am going to answer all these questions. One need to check their answers and comment in the comment box how much he have scored. He or she have scored, and in how much time he has given to this quiz to complete. Tomorrow I am going to start programs, different programs. We are going to learn how we can implement our different syntax keywords to run our programs. Here we go. This is the end of our video. I am going to provide my Google Docs link here in the description box, one with avail with the video, all the videos and forms too. Thank you so much for watching this video. Please like, share, subscribe and comment to our channel. Thank you so much. Have a nice day.